very light line, guys. We just take our time with the carp, tire him out, get him up on the bank and pull him out of this river system. Look at that, guys.
What an ugly cunt.
Not a bad size.
Mmm.
Get him, cut. Fuck him. Brandy's on here. Brandy's on. He just thought about leaving, and then he's on. He's fucking on. Lip grips. Gotta help him. Hold up. I'll fucking get him. Oh. Oh, fuck. What happened there?
What a fucking ugly little
fish,
dog.
bro. What a fish. You reckon that's bigger than mine? Probably.
Take a photo.